What's up everyone? Welcome back to my channel. I hope you're all having a great day today. In today's video, I am going over my top 3 favorite stocks for this week and beyond. These are pretty much long-term stocks that I believe will generate 200 to 300% returns fairly easily. Going over today's performance, we had 4%, which is quite good. Since we're off to such a great start, we might as well set a goal for 10% this week and see if we can hit that. Alright, so let's jump into the first stock. So the first stock is Sava, also known as Sava Sciences. This stock has been getting a lot of hype around the YouTube stock guru channels lately. It is a pharmaceutical company that's focusing on Alzheimer's, and they've just finished their stage 2 FDA approval, and they have shown that their drug has improved cognitive ability and reduced dementia-related behavior. So that is definitely a good stock to look into. Going over to the graph here, you can see that over the last week or so, it has been getting lots of hype and reached about a peak of $138. It has since cooled off quite significantly since then. I think this is certainly a possible buying opportunity. It is relatively $60 right now, and I am going to set a price target of 180, and this is a long-term stock, so don't expect it to hit 180 in the next month. Give it a couple months as they enter stage 3 trials. Typically when the FDA approves stage 2 trials, they go on to accept the stage 3, so if we get good results, that would shoot the stock up. I know that stage 3 FDA trials do take quite some time, but normally stocks such as these, companies such as these, release data in the meanwhile. So as long as we get some good news, this will definitely shoot up in the near to mid future. Alright, so that's definitely a stock that I would recommend looking into. As always, do your own due diligence, do your own research. I'm not a financial advisor, I'm just documenting what stocks that I think are a good buy. Alright, so next stock is BIDU, or as it's known, Baidu. Baidu is a Chinese internet company, sort of like a Google, but not really. What I found interesting about this company is, first of all, it has had excellent performance over the last couple months, almost 100% in the last couple months, if I'm not mistaken. So this is a strong uptrend. Cooled off a tiny bit here, which is why I entered. Definitely could dip a little bit more, but I see 350 plus in within the next year. So one thing that caught my eye is Baidu has partnered with BlackBerry for an autonomous driving in Guangzhou, I don't know if I'm saying that correctly, but the EV industry is certainly hot right now, and autonomous driving, I think, will also be, if it hasn't already, will also be a very high growth sector. So that's Baidu. I think it has pretty good potential. Now moving on to the third stock. I like to keep things fast with you guys. These are just my stock recommendations, and I would definitely suggest for you to go on and research them further, and definitely leave a comment down below of your opinion on this stock or any other stock recommendations you'd want me to look into. But the next stock we have is Vyne, also a therapeutic company similar to Sava. So Vyne Therapeutics is in the penny stock range. It's $2.80. So definitely a riskier stock just because of its um, smaller price. However, I think this does have the potential to reach $4. What they specialize in is dermatology care, so they recently have released good news on their acne treatment, and they do appear to be a nice, well-rounded stock. Definitely let me know if you find any issues with them. They, just as a warning, they aren't profitable yet. They're still in a growth stage. They expect to be profitable in 2023, but you know how stocks work. They don't always have to be profitable for them to go up. So I think Vyne Therapeutics definitely could hit the $4 range, but a little bit riskier than my other two. All right, so that wraps up my stock trades of the week. I'll probably give a breakdown on Friday or Sunday, seeing how they performed and giving my stocks for next week. If you liked the video, definitely give it a thumbs up or comment, possibly even subscribe. And I will see you all on Sunday, most likely.